In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create drop-down menu in Canva website. By the end, you'll know how to set up a clean, clickable menu and a simple way to mimic a drop-down look using Canva's built-in tools. First, make sure each section of your website exists as its own page. Create separate pages for your core sections like Home, About, and Contact inside your website project. This keeps your navigation straightforward and lets each menu item point to a specific page. Give each page a clear name so it's easy to find when you link later. Next, head to your main page, or a dedicated header page if you designed one, and add your menu items. You can use text boxes for a traditional look, or shapes and buttons if you want a more graphic style. Type labels like Home and About, then place them along the top or where your navigation will live. Keep spacing consistent, and set your font, size, and color so everything looks unified. If you have a background header bar, align your items to create a tidy, professional feel. Now, link each item to its matching page. Click a menu label, like About, and look for the link icon in the top toolbar, the little chain symbol. Choose pages in this design and select the corresponding page, such as your About page. Repeat this for every menu item, one at a time, until each label points to the right destination. This is what makes your menu functional. If you want a drop-down effect, Canva doesn't offer a true drop-down menu, but you can create a simple illusion. One approach is to stack smaller text items beneath a main label, spacing them so they appear like a revealed list. Each sub-item should be its own text box with its own link to the appropriate page. You can group those text boxes to move them together, and optionally use subtle animations so they appear in a way that feels like a drop-down. If that feels too complex, a simpler alternative is to design separate, clearly labeled menu items that visually suggest a drop-down, or place navigational sections directly on the page in a way that's easy to scan. Finally, preview and test. Use Canva's preview to click through each menu item and confirm it opens the correct page. Then check your live website and test again, ideally on both desktop and mobile, to make sure everything works and reads clearly. Thanks for watching.